Hello everybody, it's Diana here again. I have a new haircut I got done at Ulta Beauty. I'm pretty excited about it. I don't normally curl my hair, but I think it looks really cute. Today I wanted to do another pop video, an update, a haul if you will. I got 3 new ones today, so I left them in the boxes just so you can see the box as well. But I don't keep the boxes, I take them out, I display them, I have fun with them. I let my kids play with them, we have a good time. So, Pops are made by Funko. They're super cool. They kind of vary in price depending on size or where you buy them. I buy them. I don't buy them online. I get them at Target. I've gotten some at Walmart. I've gone to, you can get them at Walgreens. CVS usually carries them. I get a lot of good ones at Barnes & Noble. A lot of other places, if they carry music and videos, or, yeah, music, movies, paraphernalia for like gaming and stuff, like GameStop and those places, they'll have a lot of Pops too. You can get them a lot of places. Some places will run out really early, but it's just kind of a fun hunt. And if I find something I just have to have, well, then I buy it. So first I'm going to show you ones I've already taken out of the boxes that I've gotten in the last few weeks. And then I'll show you ones in the boxes that I got today. So one of my favorite finds was Ezekiel, and he is from The Walking Dead. He's pretty cool. He's one of my favorite characters, and I really love him. He was a really fun find for me. I got him at, I believe, at FYE. These next two I got at Target, and Target, oddly enough, even though it's a huge company, has random sales at differing stores. So you can find stuff on clearance at one store, especially if they're revamping, that aren't at others. So these are Target exclusive Pops, but they're also pixelated and they're from Stranger Things, and I got them like $3 a piece, which is crazy. So I got the Demogorgon. See how he's all like pixelated? I thought he was really cool. He's really heavy too. He's quite substantial. And then I got, oh goodness. I've lost my fucking marbles. 7? I'm going to say 7. I haven't watched the show in a long time. Eating Eggos. Or 11, excuse me. 11 eating Eggo waffles. And she's pixelated as well. I thought those were really cool. Look at her little hands. Little blood coming out of her nose. Alright. This one I just got a couple days ago. And I got it at Toys R Us, one that's closing. So this is from Rocco's Modern Life, and it is Heifer. He's so cute. I used to love watching Rocco's Modern Life. And I love Heifer. I don't think he's going to stand too good. Oh, he does alright. Sometimes, like the pixelated ones stand good. Sometimes these don't stand very well. This is like a giant pop. So, depending on what series they're doing or what have you, Pop will come out with, Funko Pops will come out with like really giant characters. So, this is Treebeard from The Lord of the Rings. And I found him pretty recently. He is literally my favorite character in the whole movie. Oh, he's my favorite. And just for a little reference, here's Heifer next to Treebeard. So they're quite large. Even if I put him against some of my guys back here, see how big he is? He's like twice the size. So he was probably one of my favorite finds. This one, I think I mentioned in another video. I don't know if that one's up yet or not. I can't remember. It was a video not really related to Pops at all. But it was, I think, talking about online shopping. And I don't think I've posted that yet. It may come out before this. It may not. So there's still some long hair videos that are coming at your way. I'll probably post this in betwixt some of those. But this is from the Netflix show called Bright. And it is my favorite character of that movie, Nick Jacoby. And I was so excited when I found him at Target again. It was probably my best day ever. He is an orc who is not blooded. And basically what that means is, and he's a cop, and basically what that means is that he's never killed someone or something or whatever. But I was so excited about this one, I can't even explain. This is probably like this one and Treebeard top of the pops. I got 3 more today I'm really excited about. So these ones I got all in the last couple weeks, and then these 3 I got today. I also got some pops from Overwatch, but they're not for me. They're for someone else and they're a secret, so I didn't want to post them just in case they see it before I give it to them. So, mum's the word. The first one I got is from Buffy the Vampire Slayer, 20 Years of Slain, and this is Giles. And again, I don't keep them in the boxes. I don't keep the boxes. They show all the different ones in the series that just came out. I got this at Barnes & Noble. And I want to pull him out so you can see him better. And people can get mad at me. I don't care. There he is. Oh, he's so cute. Anthony Stewart Head, I love you. Anthony Stewart Head, who plays Giles on Buffy the Vampire Slayer, also has a wonderful album of music. And you should totally get it. And it's quite old. I would say at least 10 years old. 20 years old probably, but it's super good. Look for it somewhere. I do have it. Then I also got this little cutie. It's a Barnes & Noble exclusive. It is Gollum, and he is clear from Lord of the Rings. I thought that was really fun. They had the regular ones too. You can see them on the back. But I thought, why not get the clear one? That'll probably be the one worth $100 million one day. Maybe not. Could be like Beanie Babies. I don't care. I love them. I don't collect them. Oh, the money. So we're taking them out. Oh, he's very light and airy. That is not solid, I don't think. His head. Gollum. Very cool. Super excited about that. What? Excuse me. Ew. Okay. And my last one. This is one I saw a long time ago. It's from one of my favorite shows. One of my favorite actors of all time. And even in his beautiful old age, I still think he's one of the most attractive men in the whole world. Let's hear it. Everybody. Blacklist, Red Reddington. Really, Raymond Reddington. But they do call him Red. There's also Elizabeth Keene. Could have gotten her today. I haven't seen these on the shelves in a while, so I was really excited when I found this one. And I'm not giving them up for anything. If you haven't seen The Blacklist, I highly recommend it. A couple of seasons are on Netflix. It is a wonderful TV show. Red Reddington. Amazing. So, yeah. Clearly, I love pop culture, which I think is where the name of these come from, pop. They have television, movies, gaming ones. They have ones from singers. I have a Michael Jackson one upstairs. They have all sorts of ones, cartoons. Who knows? You name it, they probably have it. If there's something you like and you like things that are cutesy and kind of anime style a little bit, I think you would really like Pops. I have tons of Pops behind me. Funko Pop, please sponsor me in videos. Yeah. That will never happen. But anyways, yeah, I am really excited about all my Pops, and I hope this is kind of fun for you guys as well. And you know, I hope you keep watching, that you subscribe, you comment below, and that we just keep having a great time together. Thanks, guys.